Okay, so come over here. Just look for a space there. So we scrape this down.
Yes, you have to just put your lipstick here. I like using my hands to
So let me have the spoon, please.
the milk and the flavor.
So
That flavor
we have
smells good. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time for the spoon. That flavor smells good.
so start mixing.
Smoothly.
Which pen is this?
How am I using this?
Sharon, don't mess up the whole place.
Okay, let me try. Now this thing will turn to pink.
It won't turn to pink. So just use your hand, and then your hands are already washed, right?
Yes.
So we make a dough ball. Don't let it stay in the center, and then you